YouTubers, welcome to Random Reviews and How-Tos. Today we're going to learn about neck gaiters.
Neck what?
G-A-I-T-E-R-S. Neck gaiters. Neck gaiters are basically tubular pieces of cloth that you pull over your head and wear around your neck. There are two types of neck gaiters. Cold weather neck gaiters and warm weather neck gaiters. This cold weather neck gaiter has a convenient drawstring on one end. You simply pull it over your head and use it like a scarf to keep your neck warm. The good thing about the neck gaiters is, unlike a scarf, you don't have to worry about it falling off your neck or worry about the ends getting caught on something. Now, if your nose gets cold when you're jogging, you can also pull it up and tighten the drawstring in the back and it keeps you breathing warm air so that your nose doesn't get cold. The final thing you can do with this is to close the drawstring all the way tight. And now you can wear it overhead like a beanie to keep your head warm. Pretty cool, right? Now the warm weather neck gaiter, I originally bought to keep my hair out of the way when I was riding motorcycles. Without it, what would happen is, when I put the helmet on, my bangs would always get in the way, and no matter how much I tucked it in, it would tend to fall into my face while I was riding, which is not safe. So what I do with this gaiter is pull it over my head like so, and then use it like a bandana to keep my hair out of the way, so that when I do pull the motorcycle helmet over my head, no hair gets in my face. That makes for much safer motorcycle riding. Other ways to wear this would be to wear it around your neck to help keep your neck from getting sunburned during a hike, or if you are in a dusty environment, wear it over your nose to keep from breathing in the dust. You can also use it like a headband, like so. Or like so. And you can even use it as a ponytail tie. Like that. There are so many awesome uses for this neck gaiter. So given all the things that you can do with neck gaiters, both in cold weather and warm weather, these are a worthwhile investment.